In this video, we are going to get closer to completing the accounting cycle by preparing financial statements from our adjusted trial balance. So after we prepare our financial statements, we'll just have a couple more steps and we'll be all the way through our accounting cycle. So for a review here, we have our adjusting entries that we made, and then we posted those to our ledger accounts and came up with our updated balances. And then we prepared an adjusted trial balance that has all of the updated balances. So we want to prepare our financial statements using these accounts and amounts. So if you take a look, you can see that the accounts on this trial balance are grouped together by type. So first you have your asset accounts and the contra asset account, accumulated depreciation. Then we have our liability accounts. Following that, we have one revenue account, service revenue, followed by a number of different expense accounts, and then we have our equity accounts. So recall that we put our income statement together first, and the format for our income statement is revenues minus expenses equal net income. And an income statement is going to be prepared for a period of time. So what I would recommend you do at this point is pause the video and try to put together an income statement, then use the income number off of your income statement to prepare a statement of retained earnings, calculate the new end of the period retained earnings balance, and put that on your balance sheet. So hopefully you did pause the video and give this a shot. So here is our income statement for the month ending August 31, 2024. We've got our revenue account, our expenses total $22,700, and we're coming up with net income of $13,300. We're going to take that $13,300 and put it on this statement of retained earnings, which is also prepared for a period of time for the month ending August 31, 2024. So we're going to add in net income, we're going to subtract out dividends, we're going to come up with ending retained earnings, and then we're going to take that number and put it on our balance sheet. So note here that we have our assets listed. The equipment account is netted against the accumulated depreciation account to show that book value of $2,700, and then we total the assets and we get $33,700. Then we've got our liability accounts, which total $17,600, followed by the common stock account, that updated retained earnings balance, and so total liabilities and stockholders' equity also equal $33,700. All right, so we've prepared our financial statements. We're not quite done. We still need to do closing entries and a post-closing trial balance.